I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Guys, thanks for all the love and support on our channel. If you're new to the channel and you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. Today we're going to rebuild the carburetor and also we're going to clean out the intake manifold. Okay guys, so we got tons to clean here in this carburetor. It is full of filth and full of mess, so this is something that we need to clean. Okay, I think we found the problem, why the engine wasn't running well. So we took the carburetor all apart and as you can see it's a big mess. A lot of junk was in the inlet area. I don't even know what it is, if it's sand or if it's just cooked up gas. But we got it apart anyway, now it's time to clean it all up. Okay guys, so we cleaned out the complete carburetor. We got our rebuild kit here. So all that's left to do is figure out how to put this thing back together. And then hopefully the truck runs a bit better. Okay guys, so we got the carburetor back together. Now it's time to pick up the inlet manifold and clean that out as well. Okay guys, so we cleaned the carb, we cleaned the intake, so now it's time to get to the big Chevy truck and install everything. Okay guys, so we got the inlet manifold on. Now it's time to put the ignition back and put the carburetor on. Okay, so we got the intake manifold in, we got the carburetor on again, we got the ignition system on again. All that's left to do is put new valve cover gaskets on it and then see if she will run. Okay guys, so we got her all back together now. We will unscrew the fuel line to check if she's pumping any fuel, and then hopefully she fires up and she runs better. Fingers crossed. Okay guys, we're a couple of days down the road. The old big block wouldn't fire. She wouldn't get any petrol from our tank to the carburetor. So that's something that we need to figure out today. And hopefully she will fire. Okay, so we don't have really luck with this big block. We think that the fuel pump in this big block is broken. We made our own fuel tank on top of the carb. We tried to turn it over a couple of times, but it wouldn't start due to our battery, which is completely gone empty. So we charged it up. Now we're going to hook it up again and see. Hopefully she will fire. Okay guys, so we don't get her to fire up unfortunately for this video, but stay tuned. Hopefully in the next video she runs. Thank you for all the love and support, and stay tuned for more.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.